Okay, good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
So today we are here for the practice of your group discussion. The first task of your GTO. Okay, there you will be provided two topics. You have to select one of from those two topics. You means your group have to select. Okay. See, the formation of a topic is, first of all they will give a statement. In the next phase of that statement they will ask you a question, that is, what in your opinion. In order to support your opinion they will provide you three sub leads. Okay, you have to choose a lead and you have to defend your lead till the end of the discussion. One thing, that there is no fixed time of this discussion. It will last up to the choice of the GTO or up to the capability of your group. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the topic for today's discussion is, listen attentively. There are various factors that have contributed to the economic growth of our country. There are various factors that have contributed to the economic growth of our country. What, in your opinion, is the most important contributing factor? So lead number 1, manpower. Lead number 2, leadership. Lead number 3, foreign investment. I am repeating the topic with the leads, final time. Okay. There are various factors that have contributed to the economic growth of our country. What, in your opinion, is the most important contributing factor? Manpower, leadership, foreign investment. Okay. 2 minutes for your brainstorming, then after your discussion will start. By the time, please tell me your chest number.
Leads to infrastructure by making infrastructure.
I agree with you,
Recently we
yes.
have seen that from a survey that 2021 has the highest FDI rate in India.
I agree with
Yes,
you.
sir.
That is the foreign just because the lot of significant
economic growth in our
past, so
country,
that
it is
we have a
important to
great
see
number
that
of foreign investments
the
for the
population of
country.
our country
And
is
we also
high,
attract a lot of foreign
and we have
investment
very young
here,
youth,
and
and
foreign
everything
investment economic
everything of
growth.
our country is 29, we can say we have very young and powerful
improve our foreign
youth
relations
which
with
can
other
be
countries,
used
then
and
after
can be
I agree with
managed
you. Foreign development
and
and I agree with you.
very beautiful
That the
manner.
foreign
We can
if
improve
they are
economic
can enhance
growth
their
of our country.
economic activities and direct other performance, then only the foreigners then only the large will be interested
I
and
would like to add a point that we see the China model. If China follows the same model that India is following nowadays.
Yes, friend, I agree with you.
Invested
In
so
my
much
perspective,
China,
G20 has
so that China become developed.
G20 has entered in
In
India,
my
and
opinion,
also
manpower is important
UP,
to the growth
UP
of any
division.
country, because without manpower
like
any
just
country
about
cannot
it,
be
you say
developed.
that,
As
in
we
our
see in
country
the China,
we can
there are the
we
factories
are
are
a well type of
established
summit
and
in
there are
G20,
many men
so
are working,
this type of
and for any
when
country
meeting in held in our
growth
country,
in
so
power,
very
the
many foreign
manpower
country,
is
foreign country
important.
are passing
And
to the established then our economic system.
I think the foreign investment is directly proportional to the manufacturing sectors which was done in our countries also. Just because we have a very good number of infrastructures, that is for the buildings of whatever we are doing the import and export. Then, as we all know that we have a great number of Mica
I agree with chest
so
number
just because if
162,
we are
if
import,
our
that means
diplomatic
what
talks
we
are
are doing for
in
the
good
export
relation
purpose,
with
we have to
other
first
countries,
make any
then only
countries, and
investors
which are
will be
easily
interested
able to do a proper
Yes,
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 and the foreign investors, we see that G20 was organized in India recently here, and it organized many companies were invested in UP and also in the almost country.
providing skills and upgrading our manpower so that we can be
If we
very
talk about
useful
state
citizens
policy,
of
so
our country.
recently we have
We
seen that
are-
UP become the second biggest economy due to a factor which is called ease of doing business. In 2017, we have seen that UP was 17th rank in the ease of doing business. Now it is second position in ease of doing business. And
Participating in building the economy of India. This is because
That
of
is
the good
present in
leadership
Uttar Pradesh
of
also
under the
very-
CM.
very
And
educated.
Coming and he is developed by IT sector and many other.
Try to control corruption and try to control any crimes in UP state.
And you can see that our leadership, like S. Jaishankar went to the France and so France said to the India that Kashmir of our country is nowadays very stable. So he can also promote to Kashmir is now it's famous for
Friend,
tourists.
as you know that
So
the manpower
tourists-
is necessary.
There are
There are essentials required on the manpower to handle the infrastructure and the machinery
Foreign
and the
countries, I
factories
would like to
and
bring
the
all your attention
manpower
to
is
the
necessary.
point
You
that
cannot
in 2023
depend
Now
on
that I agree with you, we have a great number of religious places in our country, so it is also the very best way to increase our investment also. Just because the loss of foreign students have come over the India and invest the money, which also helps to increase our economic growth also.
And as you know, because of leadership, our nowadays just 4 to 5 days ago, our honorable Prime Minister went to the Lakshadweep, and we also to show the all over the world that like Lakshadweep is a place who is a very good place and good leadership also.
They get good security, it can very low rate labor. I strong leader can only change a nation on the world because a strong leader know that how to take a strong decision that is fruitful for the nation.
I just
Yes,
want
yes,
to
yes.
mention
I
about
agree with
the
you
foreign
because
direct
a better
investment. I
leadership
would like
quality can
to
promote
mention a point that
the cultural
foreign direct
activities
investment
and to
directly
promote it
has
globally.
a relation
And it
to
is important
employment.
to
Recently, we
enhance
have seen
the
that
economic
in-
system of a country,
in Gujarat,
to promote its
there was
culture,
a office, world biggest
jewels.
office in Gujarat that has in which 90% of the diamonds were cut. And cutting nowadays, and that's why FDI is important.
Which also helps to increase the job opportunities also and reduce the unemployment.
I agree with the chess number 181 as you have told about the diamond. This,
Yes.
but the main reason behind this improvement is as our leaders are taking a strong decision so that the corruption can decrease and foreign trade investment can increase in the nation. This is the main reason of taking part in development of
Yes,
our
gentlemen,
nation.
68 I agree with you,
Just
and
number
better
181
leadership
and
quality can
68
enhance the
have told us
transparency
about the
in
benefits
economic
about the
system
two
and
other
promote
ways. I
it
would also
globally.
like to tell
Yes,
you
friend,
that
in my
as a
opinion,
basic
as we can say that
understanding,
foreign
India is
investor
a
if
nation of
invest in
people.
the
We are
India,
democratic
so that
country
we
and
can
for
get
a
their product at a
democratic
very
country
low
to
rate.
develop and to growth.
Yeah,
We
so
need
we
the
can
manpower
say
of our Indian country to be a very huge, as we have a huge population. We need a skilled, upskilled members so that they can show themselves as how they are and they can perform better as they are
foreign
doing.
investors invest in our country because of our good leadership. Because as you know, our foreign policy nowadays is very good for
We
all
have to
over the
aware
country,
as
like
just number-
Russia, France, and other countries. So we can say the good leadership is main vision behind the.
Yes, I
Yes,
agree
just
with
number
you.
197, I agree with you. Our foreign minister S. Jaishankar also promote our country in China, in Russia. Putin also break. China minister Putin also break our rules meeting to our foreign minister S. Jaishankar.
And gentlemen, I would like to add a point that recently Foxconn company of semiconductor making also invested in India with Vedanta Group. And if you talk about USA companies like Tesla, Apple, they invested in India, and iPhones are now making inDia also.
Yes,
As you were talking about manufacturing of Apple iPhones and
many
like
other
Tesla company,
chief
Tesla
of the
company
foreign
are now
countries
contributing in India.
coming
How are they?
in Mumbai
They are not only
started
interested in like
and
adding
infrastructure
points to
and
chess
services. How and who are providing
with
such
chess number
technology?
197. As you all already China has a communication.
And it is also that government our cities that have provided has shown that we can do it. That we are the global superpower.
And also you know that after the coronavirus, after the pandemic, we have more contributed in our country because of to good leadership started the Make in India program, like that program. So it's also improve our manufacturing sector in our country.
Yes, gentlemen, 197, I agree with you. And the better implementation of the UPI system, which is globally a better example of the best leadership quality of India, and it foster the economic activities and income in our country.
And just
Then I
number
agree with the chest number
49 and
150 to talk about the
197
manpower,
about,
and I agree with the 181 chest number to talk about the diamond cutting industry, because there are always required of the manpower, because with the man we can easily work in factory and any industry, and where the lack of the manpower we can going to shift on the others as technology.
I partially agree with you, chest number 100. If according to you, let's see example of Israel. The more intelligent persons are in Israel, having more than Nobel prizes in Israel as compared to India. Since their population is come big, but having good leadership skills, they are leading the globe.
I think the main motive
And
of
also
the governments to
one
go
more
outside
nation
for the
has
nation
announced
that
that
is
we have
to
also
increase the
withdrawn
foreign
from
direct
the BRI
investment,
products
because
of
it is the
China.
only method by which we can increase our economic also. So this is the main method by the government go from our countries to another countries, and which we are wants to say that.
And as chest number 115 has mentioned about FDI, so I would like to add a point that FDI is also focusing on Make in India, which was an initiative taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2014.
Okay, time up. Okay, how was the experience? Good. Chest number 162. Your lead was FDI. Your lead was FDI, na?
Yes, sir.
Targeted manufacturing sector. That was okay, but the participation was also okay. You have to work on your content. Content level was shallow. Okay, you can add on many more points in that. Okay, you can specify that FDI in defense, FDI in that, FDI in those, like sector wise आप उसको अलग अलग करके बता सकते थे कहाँ कितनी FDI है. ओके, फिर FDI से जैसे आप ही के ग्रुप मेंबर में किसी ने बोला था चाइना से कैसे कंपनीज अब वहाँ से निकल के हमारे यहाँ आ रही हैं या फिर कहीं और भी प्लेस ढूंढ रही हैं. ओके, तो FDI आएगा क्यों, ये भी आप सोचिए. ओके,
सर टैक्स फ्री कर देता है तब FDI आ जाता है.
टैक्स फ्री, टैक्स रिड्यूस कीजिए. ओके, बट एट द सेम टाइम टैक्स हेवन नहीं बनने देना है.
कुछ घोषित करता है, जैसे कोई भी राज्य उसको घोषित, जैसे नोएडा कर दिया था.
नोएडा को नहीं, वो एक अलग जोन बनाता है, उसको कहते हैं स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन. ठीक है, SEZ. वहाँ पे सारी फैसिलिटीज़ आप दे सकते हैं.
टैक्स भी कम दिए.
ओके, मैन पावर चेस्ट नंबर 100. बट अपने पॉइंट को बहुत डिफेंड नहीं कर पाए कि ये मैन पावर क्यों होना चाहिए. ठीक है, सिर्फ लीड बता देने से आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन नहीं माना जाएगा उस डिस्कशन में. थ्रू आउट द टाइम आप यस जेंटलमैन आई एग्री विथ यू चेस्ट नंबर 181, 49, 115 आपने वो लाइन 3-4 लोगों से एग्रीमेंट करके रखा, उसके बाद हल्का फुल्का पॉइंट दिया जो कि आपके पॉइंट को जस्टिफाई नहीं कर पा रहा था. व्हाई यू आर सपोर्टिंग मैन पावर, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट, ऑन द कंटेंट पार्ट. Okay, 68. Yeah, your participation was okay, content was also okay. Now you are working on the IR, isn't it? Now आप इंटरनेशनल रिलेशन पे काम करना शुरू कर चुके हैं. ओके, आपने उठाया मुद्दे को लक्षद्वीप इशू से. कैसे PM मोदी का एक विजिट टूरिज़्म को वहाँ पे अर्थ से फर्श से अर्थ तक पहुँचा दिया, है ना. एक लीडरशिप क्या कर सकता है ये आप बताएं. फिर जैसे कि आपका आज बीच बीच में आपने दूसरे से पॉइंट्स उठाए थे, डिटरमिन दैट इज़ ओके, दैट वी नीड SEZ, स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन, बट हु विल प्रोवाइड? ओनली द लीडर कैन प्रोवाइड द पॉलिसीज, एंड हु विल फ्रेम द पॉलिसी? दैट इज़ द लीडर. ओके, हु विल अट्रैक्ट FDI? ड्यू टू द पॉलिसी ऑफ दैट लीडर ऑफ दैट स्टेट, द FDI कैन बी अट्रैक्टेड और कैन बी रिपेल्ड. अब ये सारे पॉइंट्स थे आपके, दैट वाज ओके. इसराइल का इशू दिया, इसराइल का एग्जांपल दिया आपने, कैसे एक छोटा सा देश अपने लीडरशिप क्वालिटी की वजह से ही डोमिनेट करता है उस रीजन में. ओके, ठीक है, आपका डिस्कशन में इनिशिएशन भी था. ओके, 42 लेस पार्टिसिपेशन, यू आर लुकिंग टेंस्ड. वो क्या रहा है ये? ठीक है, बिकॉज आपके पास कंटेंट बहुत अच्छे नहीं थे या फिर आप समझ नहीं पाए करना क्या है. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर कंटेंट. ओके, 138 ट्राई तो अच्छा किया लेकिन रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छे नहीं आ पाए. समझ में आया लेवल क्या है और आप कहाँ हैं, अभी कहाँ पहुँचना है. Got it? Chest number 180.
मेन बात है अंग्रेजी में बोल नहीं पाए, मेन मुद्दा ही
सर बोलना पड़ेगा, यहाँ बिना अंग्रेजी के काम नहीं चलेगा. 180. What was your lead?
Sir, foreign policy.
फॉरेन पॉलिसी. बट ऐसा कोई लीड था ही नहीं. फॉरेन डायरेक्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट FDI वॉज द लीड. ठीक है, फॉरेन पॉलिसी जैसी चीज़ें नहीं थी, आप इस वजह से कंफ्यूज हो रहे थे. गॉट इट? प्लीज़ वर्क ऑन दैट. ध्यान से सुनो, टॉपिक क्या है, लीड क्या है, क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं, वो क्या निकालना चाह रहे हैं. टॉपिक में अगर एक वर्ड बदलोगे तो पूरा सेंस बदल जाता है. ओके, लिसन अटेंटिवली. ओके, चेस्ट नंबर 115. मैन पावर वॉज योर लीड. बट एक आध बार ही ऐसा हुआ कि लोगों ने आपकी सुनी. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यू वर इन अ ड्रैग रेस विथ वन ऑफ देम. हमेशा किसी ना किसी के साथ ड्रैग रेस में हैं आप. ओके, उस एग्जैक्ट गैप को ढूंढिए जहाँ पे आप एंटर करके बोल सकते हैं. ओके, बहुत सारे और तरीके हैं. एग्जैक्टली चेस्ट नंबर 100. द सेम पॉइंट आई वांट टू मेंशन हियर दैट मैन पावर consist of the skilled labor as well, because as this is the generation of AI and the 5G, we need skilled labor. Not only labor, we need skilled labor, and by providing skilled labor through the various institute from our country, we can attract FDI. और renowned institute like the IITs, इनको हर जगह फेम मिलता है, IITians हर जगह हैं, उससे हम अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, टॉपिक क्या था? इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ, है ना, इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर. मैन पावर बाहर भी जाती है आपकी, जो IITs हैं वहाँ से वो रेमिटेंसेस भेजते हैं, उससे भी तो हमारी इकोनॉमिक बूस्ट हो रही है. यू कैन ऐड ऑन दीज पॉइंट. ओके, फॉरेन करेंसी एक्सचेंज होती है, ये सारी चीज़ें.
जब सर यहाँ आर्थिक मंदी पर गया था 1915, सरकार जब था सर मनमोहन सिंह के पहले, उसमें सर वही जो बाहर में रहता था वही लोग बचाया था.
हाँ, बहुत सी चीज़ें आप बता सकते हैं वहाँ पे. ठीक है, फिर आप मैन पावर, जो स्किल्ड मैन पावर थे वो इसरो में, और इसरो से हम कॉमर्शलाइजेशन करके, जो प्राइवेटाइजेशन करके वहाँ से दूसरे के सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करते हैं, वहाँ से भी हम पैसा कमा सकते हैं. ठीक है, स्किल्ड मैन पावर हर एक सेक्टर में ज़रूरी है. लाइक टूरिज़्म में भी स्किल्ड मैन पावर चाहिए, जो स्पेसिफिक उनके पास स्किल हो टूरिज़्म से रिलेटेड, सो दैट वी कैन बी अ टॉप मोस्ट कंट्री इन द टूरिज़्म सेक्टर. दैट विल ऑल्सो बेनिफिट आवर इकोनॉमी. गॉट इट? 49. आपने कोशिश की, लेकिन वो कोशिश बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाई. ऑल्दो यू ट्राइड योर बेस्ट. मुझे लगता है 2-4 बार में आप ट्रैक पे आ जाओगे. ओके, 181. FDI वॉज योर लीड. थर्ड एंट्री था आपका ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस के बारे में आपने बात किया, डायमंड कटिंग इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात किया, और कैसे चाइना से निकल के यहाँ तक आ रही हैं, लेकिन यहाँ तक पहुँच नहीं पा रही हैं. वी हैव टू मेक सम चेंजेस इन आवर पॉलिसी सो दैट वी कैन अट्रैक्ट FDI. ओके, 191. सेकेंड एंट्री था. शुरुआत में ऐसा लगा कि आपका लीड मैन पावर था, लेकिन बाद में आप लीडरशिप पे चेंज हो गए थे. शुरुआत में भी लीडरशिप ही बोल रहे थे.
लीडरशिप के कारण इजराइल भी मांग कर रहा है मैन पावर को, ताइवान में 50 साल.
अभी जो लीडरशिप पे और भी पॉइंट्स बताए हैं उसको ऐड ऑन कर सकते हैं उसमें. ओके, गॉट इट? लीडरशिप में डेडिकेटेड फ्रेट कॉरिडोर बनाया गया इस गवर्नमेंट के अंडर में, जिससे आपकी जो नॉर्मल पैसेंजर ट्रेन हैं वो अलग चलें, डेडिकेटेड फ्रेट कॉरिडोर, ताकि कोई लेट ना हो, एक सामान दूसरी जगह से तीसरी जगह पे आराम से पहुंच सके. कनेक्शंस स्टेबलाइज किए. गॉट इट? यू कैन ऐड ऑन these point in your discussion. Please work on your content. Rest of the things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.